Lee County in central Arkansas, extreme northeastern Yell County in central Arkansas, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar.